So I'm walking around Chinatown of Saigon in District 5, and I'm at this cross street, but I'm going to go down this little alley because I see all these kind of cool little food stalls kind of everywhere. So I'm just going to walk down the whole street and capture it. And there's no tourists here. I haven't seen anywhere around here. And just to give you some idea of where we are, this is the main street that we're at. All the traffic and everything like that. And we're gonna go down this little alley. Okay, got a little slice of Saigon for you up on the map. There it is. And this particular one, I'm not gonna play any music as I usually do with this channel. It's kind of a short little one, but it's a nice marketplace. And there's a mosque at the end of it. So yeah, I don't know. I think they're connected, the mosque and this little food alley. Anyways, let's just get into it and I'll show it to you. So now you see it up on the map, and let's get right into it. Walking talk time, Saigon. Okay, so let's go check out this alley, check out the food. Lots of baguettes already. So we'll see what we can all see. Lots of foods here as well. Hello. They were kind of looking at me from the corner of their eyes, so I said hello. This is kind of a cool street. A lot of older generation, and the two girls look like younger than playing cards over there. It's like stuff from China. You got the Chinese. So this market is a small street market. So you got the cool Vietnamese buildings everywhere. So kind of cool. So over there's got tofu. Pretty cool. So this is kind of a small market, but we'll walk down it anyways and just see what's all in here. Vegetables. Let's see. Chinese medicine, I think, as well. And blankets as well. I think he's asking for money from the people in this area. Those I see everywhere, the little shrimp, the dried shrimp. So this street's kind of small. So, very small. But it's kind of interesting. It's just another way to see a little bit more of Saigon. Just kind of curious about that broom. It looks like it's been used for quite a while. But they probably clean out around their shop every day, multiple times probably. Oh, there's a mosque over here. I saw that here there's a Chinese Buddhist temples and also a mosque and a Catholic church. So I guess the mosque is right there. So I didn't really plan on filming the mosque, but I guess that's now part of our video. Yeah, it's right there. So we're gonna go around and capture that as well as part of the video. That's the stomach part. Hello. I got seafood. Ah, looks good. Thank you. And then you got a little bit of a bread, bakery, and flowers too. So that's actually the market, and then there's the mosque right on the other side. So I'm gonna walk over to the mosque. Got little restaurants right next to the fresh food street. Yeah, I didn't intend to highlight the mosque, but it's like literally right here. It's right up there. Huh. Kind of surprised. So I don't know how you'd get into the mosque. I was thinking the entrance would be right there, but it's not. I think that's a mosque, right? Anyways, we're gonna come to an end. So that was just kind of a random little street with different food items. And now we're just kind of meandering a little bit to fill out, oh, there it is. To fill out, to answer the question if that is a mosque or not, and there it is. So there it is right there. I'm not Muslim, so I don't know, I don't feel 100% comfortable, so I won't go in there, but that is it. So maybe other people are interested in it, and now you can see that there's a market right next to it, and it's basically kind of in this area. And I will end this video right here. So you can still see the mosque in the background there. I was actually just thinking about the mosque, and I was just thinking about how, you know, usually I think of like Malaysia, Indonesia, Chinese ones in those countries, and that they are usually still remain Buddhist and Chinese, but then I kind of forgot about the many Muslims that are in China, that are especially on the west coast, or in or like cities like Xi'an and things like that. So anyways, that makes sense. We're in a Chinatown, and we're actually also hello. That was pretty cool. So okay. So I think on that note, we're gonna end. This looks like just a random school, but that's kind of where we were just at. It was down that little place for the market, and we'll end it right here.
I'll be gone, but I miss